I'm continuing with the SQL question series. Right now we are going to solve the problem number 1075, project employee. So we have been given two tables here. We have the project table with two columns, and it says, okay, we have project ID, employee ID. And then we have employee table with the employee ID, name, and experience years. So employee ID is the primary key of this table. It's guaranteed that experience year is not null. Okay, that's interesting. So idea is that when you use a join, so you don't have a null values. So it shows this table contains information about one employee. So we have to write a SQL query that reports average experience years of the employees for each project rounded up 2 digits. Okay, and in order. So this is our project table, employee table. Okay, we see that, okay, employee ID 1, 2, 3 worked on the project ID. It means Khalid, Ali, John. That's why we add up their experience years and we divide number of employees. Okay, which is equal to for second project, which is the project ID 2. There is only 2 employees who worked, Khalid and employee ID number 4, which is Doe. That's why, and the experience year is 1 plus 2. No, for second project. Okay, Khalid is 3 plus 2 actually. Khalid and Doe divided to number of employees. Okay, so we start with our select statement. So in the output we need these two column names. So we will use the select. Oh, actually I have caps lock turned on. Okay, select. So we will select the project ID from our project table. That's why we give alias p dot. Let's do that. P dot project ID. Then we need average year. So how do we calculate? So we can either do sum of experience years divided count employee ID, or we can use the function name average. So average and we take the experience years. Okay, this is what we are interested. So it's from the employee table. So we will put it e dot experience years. Okay, years. Then we have been requested to round it to 2 digits. So we will add a function called round in front, and here comma 2 for 2 decimal, and we give it a name as here, which is average years. Okay, so now we need to join these two tables to have the corresponding values. So we have common shared table is a shared column is the employee ID that exists on both tables. So since here it says that it's guaranteed that experience years is not null, so you can actually use join as well, just the inner join or join, or you can use also a left join. I mean, the idea behind the left join is that so this helps, so if you don't have a corresponding entries in the employee table, so left join will still include this project in the result. But here let's say we use a normal join function. Okay, first we see from our table project that we give name is, then we use a join with our second table, which is employee, that we give e for short on and we set employee ID, so p dot employee ID equal to e dot employee ID, and the final result we have to group it under project ID, so we will use a group by function, group by p dot project ID. Okay.